In this tutorial, we're going to learn about equality and inequality operators in JavaScript, including both loose and strict comparison. In the above lines of code, we're using the loose equality operator equals. This operator converts the operands to the same type before making the comparison. So, even though A is a number and B is a string, JavaScript converts B into a number before comparing it with A. As expected, the output is true because 5 is equal to 5 in loose comparison. Now, let's try the same comparison with the strict equality operator. In this piece of code, we're using the strict equality operator equals. This doesn't perform any type conversion. So, the string 5 and the number 5 are considered different. The output is false because 5 and 5 are not strictly equal as they are different types. Similarly, we have loose and strict inequality operators. Let's see an example of loose inequality. Here, we're using the loose inequality operator !equals. Just like the loose equality operator, it converts the operands to the same type before making the comparison. As expected, the output is false because 5 is not unequal to 5 in loose comparison. Now, let's use the strict inequality operator. Here, we're using the strict inequality operator !equals. This operator doesn't perform any type conversion, so the string 5 and the number 5 are considered different. The output is true because 5 and 5 are not strictly equal, hence they are strictly unequal. Hopefully, this tutorial gave you a clear understanding of loose and strict equality and inequality operators in JavaScript. As always, keep practicing and happy coding.